Hi guys, welcome back to Scripted Success Master. Last time, if you remember, we built an end-to-end AI-based leave approval system where employee fills the form to apply for leave and manager approves the leave directly via me. So, as the next step, we will learn how we can put all the information in the dashboard form where you can present or you can have this data in the tabular form or the form request in the tabular form with the better visibility in the dashboard where dashboard will have total count, requests and the related information along with the filters like department filters, status filter, type of leave filter and so on. This fully automated dashboard is interactive and you can simply build it free of cost by your own. It doesn't require any coding knowledge. It's just a basic. We are using Google Looker Studio to build this. So at the end of the video, I'll promise you will build this video by build this dashboard by your own. So dashboard like this where you can click on any of the department and overall data will get changed accordingly. This is fully interactive dashboard. Okay, let's jump to the practical now. This is the basic data. Let me help you again. This is the leave ID, employee name, where employees departments are mentioned, leave types are mentioned, from date and to date, leave days are mentioned, and leave status like approved, reject, pending, and all those. This we learned last time how you can maintain this record through form and through AI automation codes in the Google scripts. Now let's make a dashboard. Let's go to Google Looker Studio. We'll put as a Looker, apologies, Looker Studio. Just go to this Looker Studio website where you will see this kind of interface. It is official Google software, so no need to pay any extra charges. You can build it free of cost. Just go ahead and click on a blank report. Might possible if you are opening this Google Looker Studio at the first, it might ask you for some permissions. Go ahead and approve those. Okay. So once you open the dashboard or Google Looker Studio, first of all it will ask you to connect the base data. Okay, and to connect the base data, Google Looker Studio has the options from you can add the data from n number of files like Google Sheets, Excel, CSV files, app sheets, and so on. So many support apps are there. Let's, as our data is at the Google Sheet, let's add the Google Sheet data. Okay. Now it will show you the list of all sheets in your system or in your login. Let's click on the whatever sheet where base data is there. Click on this and click to that. Here are those three options you get. Where is use first row as a headers, you should tick here, and second is include hidden and filter cells, you should also tick here. Go and add this. Okay, then what will happen, Google Looker Studio will analyze that whole sheet and it is asking to add if I should add this sheet as a database for this report. Okay, go ahead and approve it, add to the base report. Then this basic interface will open where you will get to know that whatever data or whatever sheet you have added, the columns are mentioned here. You can check it here. See, leave ID, employee name. It's same mentioned here in the row wise. Okay. Now let's go ahead and change the title. Leave summary dashboard. Okay, the name you can change whatever you want. Next step is you have a two options. It's a free form layout or responsive layout. Free form is something you have to mention the sizes of the table, and responsive layout is something as per your device like mobile, laptop or desktop, it will resize your table size. So I will always prefer this responsive size. I will recommend you also to click here. So it will give you basic structure of the dashboard. Let's go ahead and select the theme first. I usually prefer this theme, which is little bit professional and easy to read. Okay, now let's add first table in this. Okay, what I have shown here, this is first row is the summary. Okay, then let's add summary first. Okay, I'll help you in the leaves, sorry, I'll help you in the filters at the last, because this is the main part and we should cover at the last. Now let's go ahead and add the chart. So in this chart you will get the options like table, scorecards, time series, and n number of charts you have as an option. Okay, as of now we should select scorecard as an first table. Okay, now what we should do, click here so that you will get the options to edit that particular table. Okay, first is nothing but what we have suggested, total employee count. Okay, then how we should show it, you should go here, just check on the data source, the data source is correct. Now click here as a primary field. Primary field is nothing but the employee ID. Okay, where you can see total number of employees here. You can see in the base table also the employee count is nothing but employee 111,120 is the maximum. So you can see it here, total number of employees is 20, it is matching here also. Okay, now next is we should do it as a employee ID and it is perfect. Now go to styles. Now we have to stylize this table. Okay, now what we should do, we should go down, we should select this as a center option, then label as little bit bigger because this is a summary. So I am putting as at a 36 pointer. Just go further down, you can select the background color as a different one if you want. As of now I am just preferring white. You can select the border color, I'm just selecting as per the theme. Border radius I'm just keeping as a 20 for better visibility. Border weightage I'll just keep 30 so that it will look like this. Okay, but see, we don't want here as an employee ID. What we should put the name here, so you can click it at the pencil button and put the name here. So what's the what should be the title here, total employee count. Okay, obviously it will go beyond the limit, so just increase it. Okay, you can change the size and font also. So uh, here is the template, normal template, the format and form is here. So style you can change as per your, as whatever you want, size, color, central alignment you can change it from here. Okay, now what is next, total requests. Okay, now what we should do, copy this, paste it there itself, so that whatever style options whatever we have put in the previous table, that will get automatically reflected in the next table. Okay, now next is employee wise detail. Okay, sorry, not employee wise detail, total request. Total request should nothing but the, you should go here, setup, total request, from where you will get total request is nothing but the A column. So leave ID, it should be 100. So what you should select here, instead of total employee count, you should select as a leave ID. Okay, and it should be count distinct. So what you can mention here, title as a total requests. Okay, and click somewhere else, so it will get automatically corrected. Okay, now copy this, go next, just reduce this size. What will be the next point, what are the number of approved requests. Okay, so what we can do here, see, total request should be same, so it is nothing but the leave ID only, but we should put the filter here. What filter we should put, leave status should be approved. Okay, how we can put it there, go to filter option, whenever select this table first or the option first, then go down where you can see the filter option, click on the add filter, create filter. Now let's rename this as a approved filter. Okay, it should include which field, which field you want, we should select leave status. Okay, now go here, select leave status. Now it's exactly similar to how we were doing in the Google Sheet. Let's select the equal to, and what should be the equal to, should be approved. Okay, click on save. Now numbers will get changed, so it is correct now. So we should rename this as a approved. Okay, now copy this, paste again. Now what we should do, next point is rejected. Okay, now point is correct, only we need to change the filter here. Just remove this filter, add a new filter. See, whatever filter you have previously made, it will show here, but we want now new filter. New filter will be rejected filter. Apologies, it should include which field, I said leave status. Leave status, it should be equal to, and what it should be equal to, rejected. Okay, go ahead and save this. Now just rename this as a rejected. Okay, now copy this, paste again. Now what's the last option, pending one. Okay, same we are putting, data is also same, we are just changing the filter. Go again here, create a filter, filter name, let's rename this as a pending filter. Okay, it should include, select the field as a leave status, it should be equal to, and it should be pending. Go ahead and save this, and just rename this as a pending. Okay, so first part we already covered. Okay, hope I'm not going so fast. You can go backward and see the points again. Now next point is employee wage, this table. Okay, now how we can add this, go ahead and click on this plus button, so that new window will open to add the chart. Now which type of chart we want, should be table type. Okay, select the table type, and now this is important, what we should put the title as, employee wise details. Okay, so go here and put the title as employee wise details. Okay, font you can mention whatever you want, size you whatever you want to mention, bold, and align it at the center. Okay, this is the basic hygiene we need to do. Now next is, we need to add the columns where we can see employee ID, name, departments, and number of leaves. Okay, now dimensions is nothing but the number of columns you want to mention, and metric is nothing but the last row or the last value table. Okay, now let's go and add the dimension. What should be the first dimension, it should be employee ID. Okay, so first column will be employee ID, next dimension will be employee name, so employee name will come automatically. Okay, let's just extend it little. Next is department, so department will come automatically, and last, and nothing but the metric. What metric, number of leave days. Okay, just remove the metric, existing metric, go ahead and select leave days, and it should be by default sum. Okay, you can change the value here, but as of now we need a sum only. Okay, go ahead and click on this dotted line, so that it will get aligned as per the data inside. Okay, go little down, what we need to do now, put a sorting of this. So what we'll do, instead of sorting by record count, we should sort it by employee ID, so that from first to last it will come ascending or descending. You can select the ascending and descending here, so it will come as ascending as a employee 1012 to employee 120. Okay, so it's number of 20 employees, and it is matching here also. Okay, so you can see the table where you can see number of employee IDs, name, departments, and leave days. Okay, now but the table is nothing but just a table, we need to make it as a visually great. Okay, now what we should go, just check on this cross filtering option. As of now I'm keeping off. I'll tell you what you should do, what that cross filtering option does when you want to put the interactive table. I'll cover this part last. Go to style. Now what you should do, you should go extreme down where you will see the background and borders. Okay, now what you should do, background I'm preferring that as a white background. Border color I'm preferring as per the theme. Border radius I'm keeping as per the tables which are already there here. Going down, border weightage I'm putting as a 3. If you're not like this curvatures, just go ahead and just select 0 so that it will be perfect rectangular. Okay, go little up, you will see the numbers and the matrix where you will see this leave days we are putting it as a number. So let's put it as a center line. Go little up, dimensions alignment, so you can select the dimensions ka alignment here, like a center alignment, left alignment, right alignment. So as of now I'm just putting center alignment. You can select this auto option also if you want to select, but I will prefer center alignment for a better visibility. Okay, now next point is, you can one more point, you can change the dimension here by just stretching it further. So at least you will see number of employee as a 10 employees. Okay, anyways you can scroll it and you can see full report here. Okay, next table is nothing but we want to put leave distribution by the departments. Hmm? How we should do it? Now you can add the chart, you can add the chart from here also, or you can add the chart from here also. Just click here. What do you want to? Pie chart. Okay, go ahead, select the pie chart, select the size. Now what we should put as a pie chart option, leave distribution by department. Okay, just let's update the title as a leave distribution by department. Okay, let's select it as a Calibri. Font size as little bit, oh sorry, font size as it is, make it bold, make it center line so that it will match this particular table. Now go ahead, now set up this. How we can set up this? First dimension should be not employee ID, it should be department, because we want department wise details. And this metric should be leave days, because we want to know leave days per department, leave distribution as per the department. So we can see it clearly where IT has a 24%, maximum number of leaves are from IT, and we can see number of leaves are 65. You can modify this further. Go to style, go little down, you can change the inner radius here, like how you want, hollow or not hollow. Go little down, you can change the border radius also. If you want to change the border radius here, you can change it. Go little down, then font size you can select automatically. Okay, go little down. Legend is nothing but the type of, you can remove this and you can number of departments, whatever you can see it here. So we can position it like a bottom, top, and right. I will prefer bottom, or I will prefer top, so that it can be visible clearly. Now alignment should be center or left or right, you can mention it here. Size you can mention, you can select the uh, details and font family and all those things here. Last point is background. I will try to match this background here, so that border color I will match it like a same here. Border radius should be 20, border weight let's select as a 3, so that it will match it like this. Okay, now go ahead and go for a setup. As of now I am not explaining cross filtering, I'll cover this part last, so that you will get to know what's the meaning of that. Okay, next what we are thinking, next is type of leaves and count. Okay, now for that what we should add, a bar table. Now go ahead and click on this plus button, so that you can add a further chart. Further chart will be bar table. Go ahead, select the bar table. Let's put the title as a, apologies, let's put the title as type of leaf, types of leaves and count. Okay. Similarly, we'll put it as a Calibri, font size as it is, make it bold and make it center. Okay, so it's a, here we have a title with us. Now setup. What should be the dimension as the x-axis? Axis should be leaf type, because we want, you can see it from here, we have a leaf type as a casual leaf, seek leaf and work from home. So it is show like this. Okay, so casual leave, work from home and sick leave. As of now we are not able to see the numbers clearly, so what we should do, and sorry, metric, we should select it as a leave days. Okay, see, as of now when you hover it, then only we are able to see the number, but what we want numbers to clearly visible when we, without hovering. Okay, so go ahead and go here, show label details, click here and on it, so that you can see it here clearly without hovering. Okay, go down and select the background as what we have preferred in other tables. Go extreme down where you will see background options, border color, this one, border radius 20, border weight 3, and it will look like the same. Okay, few more options are there in the style where you can change the data labels, you can change the color of this bars, then there are reverse x-axis and y-axis options also. You can change the x-axis y-axis names, titles. I can, well, you can match it here as a Calibri font size. By default it will select best whatever suits in the table, but you can go ahead and change it accordingly. Okay, so font size I will prefer whatever they are preferring actually, so we can keep that as it is. So Google is smart, the Looker Studio is smart enough so that it will show you the font size and font type optimized where your dashboard will look good, but you can change it as per your requirement. Okay, now we covered this leave type and count also. Last is leaves per month. Okay, now go ahead and select another table here. Which type of table now we want? Line graph. Okay, line graph may I will prefer smooth line graph. Okay, go here, select smooth line graph, adjust the dimensions. What title we should put now? Leaves per month. Okay, go ahead and select as per the side tables what we have already done in other tables, so it will be as a, it will look similarly. Okay, now similar thing, it's a line graph where we can change the lines and bars. You can change it here, like if you want a bar table also you can change, you want a line also you can change it. Okay, this is the style option. Now let's set up this first. What we will need first, we don't want departments here, we want months here. But if you observe, we don't have a month column here. What we should do now, we should fetch month from these dates from the from date column. I'll help you in that. So in the dimensions in the x-axis, what should we select? From date. Okay, and from date, click here. Instead of having this as a number or date wise, go here and select data type as a month. So it will show it like a month always. Okay, now go down, select y-axis as a leave days. Okay, and you can type it as a total number of leaves. Okay, go down. Now we should sort this as per the months. As of now you can see it here, it is as a March, May, it is not as a ascending order. So what we should do here, we should go select it as a from month, and it should be ascending. So it will be like Jan, Feb, March, April and May. Okay. Now let's style it further. Okay. Go here in styles, go down, go down. See, you can see it here, number of points, show axis, same as per the bar table options. Okay. Go here, select the fonts, whatever you want. Again, you can select the font. Here also, x-axis, y-axis, you can select the fonts. Go down. You can change the colors and all those things if you want to change it here. Okay. Now go further down. You can see the legends and all those things. You can want to remove it, you can remove, or you can mention it here also. Okay. uh, Again, select the legend font family. Go further down, you can change the background here. Let's put similar to other tables. 20, border radius as a 20, border width as 3. Now main thing what we have missed, we are not able to see the days directly. So we should go above and select this option, not cumulative, sorry. You should select show points and show data levels, so that it will show the data levels. If you want, you can change these steps also, but as of now I'll keep it as it is for a information purpose. Okay. Now our dashboard is ready. Now let's see how it is. Okay, last point only, we need to add filters. Now filters are most important thing, where we can select the departments, leave types, leave status and date range. Okay, filters are the most important point, so that I'm covering at the last. Let's go ahead and add it here. Filter, click as a, to add the filters you should add control. Go here, select as a drop down. First should be, first filter should be department. Okay, where you can control the department wise report. You can go ahead and remove this metric if you want to see metric here. If you want to see numbers here directly, let's say department, you can, for a metric you can add, or you can, you cannot put, well, if you want to put any metric there, you can put, or you can leave it as it is. If you want, I can put leave days here as a metric, so that you can directly check here from the numbers also. Okay. Next filter, I'll just copy this. If you want to stylize this, you can style it as a, similarly how how we are putting this. Let's style it as a border, and let's reduce it little bit. Go ahead, put a border as 3, so that it will similarly look like how we are putting this here. Okay. Go ahead, copy this, paste again. So next will be, next filter should be leave status. Okay. Now click on the setup, select here. Next is leave status. It will get automatically added. We don't need to add anything. Okay. Again copy this, paste again. It will show it here as a, what's the next, next is leave type. Okay. Go here, select leave type. So this filter will be leave type. Control C, Control V. Next is nothing but, next and last filter is nothing but the date range. You can add the date range directly from here, or you can simply delete this and drag this already added date range here. Only you need to go ahead and format it. So let's do it right now. So it will be similar to these many. So as of now, we have put the title here, so I don't want title, extra title here, so we can go ahead and delete this, select and delete this. See, now our dashboard is completely ready. You can adjust the dimensions from here. If you want to stretch this further, you can go ahead and stretch this little bit so that visibly it will be better. Now you can go and view it here. Go ahead and click in the view so that it will visible in the full screen, and now you can see your dashboard is ready. But main one point is missing. Even if you change the departments, see, I'll just select the department and I'll just select the sales department. So overall data will change according to the sales. Okay. So number of employees in sales are 5. You can see it here. You can see the details here also. So number of requests are 23, which are approved 12, rejected 7, pending is 4. It completely depends on the water filter you have put. Okay. But one point, these full dashboard is not interactive. Interactive means whenever you click on any of the table, other tables are not changing as per that table. Let's say I want to see only Rahul Patil or employees 101 data. If I'm clicking here, other tables are not changing accordingly. So the most and last step what we have missed here, go again and click on the edit, select the tables which we want to change as per the selection. Go ahead and go extreme down, select the cross filtering option for all the tables. Okay, select cross filtering to all, go extreme down, put cross filtering, select, go extreme down, put cross filtering. Now what you can do, go ahead and click on view again. Now what will happen, if you don't want to put the filter here, let's say department filter, you want to put IT department filter here, whole table will get changed. But what happened, this is also getting changed, so other department data you are not able to see it. Like see here also, here also. So what, one smart move what you can do, as we have enabled the cross filtering, you can just click on one of the department from this table. So what will happen, still other data is visible, and rest of the 3 tables will get filter as per this. Isn't this little interesting? You can re-click again, it will get reset again. You can do it by employee name also. You can click on an employee name so that you can see leave days here. You can see the employee type like sick leave 10, casual leave 3, and you can see the number of months also. So this is kind of interactive dashboard you should click, and for that you should enable cross filtering option in all the tables. Okay, so this is so interesting and this is important, that's why I covered it at the last. So go ahead and use it as whatever changes you want to do. Let's say I just want to know number of casual leaves across all the departments and employees. Just click on the casual leaves. So each and every table will get changed accordingly. So I'm clicking on the casual leaves. So see, you can see number of leaves, casual leaves per month. You can see distribution of casual leaves over all departments, and the number of employees which have put casual leave in overall numbers. So this is so grateful feature where Google Looker Studio is featuring this freely. So go ahead and always select cross filtering option wherever you want to change all these tables according to the as per your selection. Okay. Now we'll cover few things. As you are saying, this is a form data where daily or weekly employees will fill and this data will get auto added. Okay, here. So previously in a Looker Studio we need to do the data editing again and again whenever there is a new data is coming. But now Google Looker Studio is updated and we don't have to update the data again and again here, base data again and again here. It will smartly take the data from the existing tables. So what, let's check that also. What we can see, leave types are 100. So number of requests are 100. You can see it in the summary also. Let's add some random 5-10 requests. Let's add few requests. Let's copy this. Okay, Control V. Just I'm adding just random data for just for explanation purpose. Okay, now from date, as of now you can see the data is still May month. Okay, let's add June month data so that you will get to know what. Let's copy this here. Let's select some dates from June. Let's add some random dates here. So what we can do, we can have the days number here. Okay, number of leaves should be from date to get date. Go ahead, go down. Let's update these number also. Let's put it something where it should not cross, it should not go negative. Okay, sorry, apologies. Oh, sorry, it should not be from start date to end date. It should be end date to start date. Apologies. Now it is correct. Okay, I will just deselect this some random. Okay, and let's put it all as a approved, some as pending, and some as, sorry, some as rejected. Okay, now what you should go, as we have a 107 leave requests. Okay, as of now it will not reflect automatically. What we should do now, go ahead and click on these three buttons, click on refresh data. So it will load it little bit and it will fetch all the data which is updated here, and you can see it clearly. So 107 number of requests, approved, rejected, pending numbers are also updated. Number of the data itself got edited, and now you can see June numbers also got added. So this is fully automated dashboard where you don't have to worry. Wherever there are new entries in the sheet, this dashboard will get automatically updated by its own. Okay, hope this dashboard is helpful for you, and thanks for sticking up to the last of this video. Hope you enjoy this. Go ahead and change whatever changes you want to do in the video, or sorry, in the dashboard, and publish it accordingly. One last one, if you want to publish this dashboard, you can click on the share here and you can publish it within your organization group, or you can publish it publicly if you want to do it as per your data. Okay, so go ahead, you can save it here and share it here. Okay, thanks guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the video. Next, in the next part, I will help you guys to merge or to add this data with the chatgpt, so that chatgpt can summarize this overall dashboard and put automated mail to HR department where it will get as a summary. Thanks for sticking up till the last of the video. We'll connect again. Thanks for watching. Bye.